We all know people that are hesitant about getting vaccinated for COVID-19. We talk to them, we see them on social media. So we knew that they were out there. We wanted to understand more who they were. And also we wanted to try a few techniques as far as how could we talk to them, message to them, and see what might push them, nudge them into the direction of being more interested in getting the vaccine. So we were under the initial impression that for African Americans that they were hesitant to take the vaccine. We had heard accounts of it. We talked to our partners at Boost Oregon, and they said, yeah, they know that within the people of color community, that people are a little bit more resistant to vaccinations, flu shots. They suspected that there would be some inherent biases towards not getting the vaccine. So we went in thinking we need to help fix it for that group of people. And what we learned is there's some hesitation there, but really there's a greater hesitation amongst a group of Caucasian people. So when we shared our early results with Boost Oregon, they were also surprised, and they've actually made some changes in their targeting approach to target Caucasians, especially those that are a little bit more conservative leaning. I have a hypothesis that there's a lot of work to do with them before you can even talk about the vaccine. You need to talk about COVID, and you need to address some of their concerns that it's a hoax, and you need to address their concerns about vaccinations in general, that they're not safe. The people that I talk to, they have fears, and they're real fears. They're rational for them. So just telling them that you should get the shot, get it now, I'll schedule it for you, all of that kind of directive language isn't helpful for them. They want to have their fears listened to and heard. And that's the best way you can start having a conversation with them. So I just say, be patient, cast your judgment aside, and listen to people. Start that conversation where you can take them to a place of trust, and then you can talk about, how they can get to the best decision for them being to take the vaccine. There's a lot of hesitation about the vaccine because of the unknowns about the vaccine. A lot of people still have questions, whether it's, how was it developed? How was it tested and approved? What side effects should I expect? How long will it last? And I think one of the compelling pieces of information that I found as I was going through those questions and thinking about how to address them was there's actually by now, and every day it's increasing, there are more than twice as many people that have received the COVID-19 vaccine that have had COVID. So the data that we have on the vaccine is growing leaps and bounds versus what we know about COVID. So I think that really should help ease people's minds about knowing what side effects to expect, what's normal, what kind of risk are they putting themselves at, and just being comfortable with we do know a lot about the vaccine and we're learning more and more every day.